BERNINA has developed a world first that makes it possible to sew with up to 9 mm stitch width. Even further, without stopping, and with the highest precision. All this at a higher speed and quieter than before. The clever inventions ensure intuitive and simpler handling and are made of superior materials, designed to last. The new centerpiece of BERNINA unites the advantages of the two best hook technologies. The centrally placed driver, with 2 oscillating cam lobes, ensures higher precision and smooth running at 1,000 stitches per minute. The bobbin can hold more thread than our standard bobbins. And every piece that comes into contact with the thread is made of superior materials. The new BERNINA Hook, premiering in the 7 series. Now at your local BERNINA store. BERNINA, made to create.